Edit.
It's recording. Great. All right. This is to help, again, any of our students who are having difficulty finding their synonyms and antonyms and using the notes that are already in the seesaw. None of this work should be on your own sheet of paper. It should be inside of Seesaw. So has been uploaded as of just now is the new spelling hard and soft C and G list words. And all it has done is listed your synonyms and antonyms. Now, my greatest place and best place for you to find the synonyms and antonyms is dictionary.com. As we found yesterday, or whatever day we were working in doing the definitions, part of speech, and syllables, the favorite dictionary for that is Merriam-Webster's Dictionary.com, because when it gives you the syllables, in Merriam's Webster Dictionary, it gives your correct spelling and it breaks it very nicely into its syllables. Whereas if you were using dictionary.com, it gives you more of the phonetic spellings that are not how we would spell them if we were writing on a sheet of paper. So what I want to demonstrate, and on the lesson, number 1 is done for you, but I want to show you what I did. I clicked on the thesaurus side of dictionary.com. If you go over to dictionary.com, that's where you then would type in, let's go with concert. We'll just show for demonstration. Oop, if you spell it wrong, it's not going to come up. And so you click on concert, it'll give it to you, and see how the syllables, it's not in the regular way we spell. This is phonetic. And we know that concert is a noun and an adjective. You should have had both of those listed on your assignment. But when you are looking for the synonyms and antonyms, you go into thesaurus and type in the word. And it comes up. I had asked, and there were some of you the last time we did this assignment, you did not follow directions. You need to list at least 5. If they have 5 or more, you must list 5. So you see there was gig, musical, recital, show, and those are the most important words because they're red, but because I'm supposed to write 5 selections. And there they are. You're going to type gig, comma, musical, comma, recital, comma, show, comma, selections. And because you're copying it, there should be no misspelled words. Come on, people, slow it down. Don't be in a race to get it done fast. I'm going to get it done. I'm going to be done. Mr. Russell, I'm done. I turned it in. I checked it. No. Look and spell. There is no reason that you have not to get the spellings correct. So that's the synonyms. I go down to antonyms. Well, look, there are only 3 antonyms. So you can't write 5, but you need to write the 3. Disagreement, comma, disharmony, comma, disunity. So I'm expecting that you write 5 synonyms, 5 antonyms. Unless there are only 3 or only 2, then that's what you write. Now, if there are absolutely no synonyms or no antonyms, then you can write NA. But I am telling you, most of them are going to have some type of synonym and antonym. So if you wind up having 5 or 6 words that don't have, you write NA, you didn't go to dictionary.com thesaurus and look it up. So I am expecting not to have to send your work back to you, and that this is what I want done. Synonyms, 5, separated by commas. Antonyms, 5, separated by commas. So you have the word, You don't even have to retype the word. You are only putting in synonyms and antonyms.